So in the methodology section, we're going to deal with the hows. How are we going to assess student learning? How are we going to score the assessment? And how does the assessment relate to the SLO? So we're going to do a direct assessment, which could be an exam or a paper or a project or a performance or presentation, or it might be something else. If it's other, then you're going to have to list what type of assessment it is. But let's say we want to do an exam. You might use part of your final exam. So I've done that before where I've had 5 questions on the final exam that assessed a particular SLO. So I take those 5 questions, I list the questions down here, and then how I'm going to score those questions. Maybe we're going to assign a project for an assessment. So then similarly, we would list the project, we would say what the assignment was, and then we would put the rubric for scoring that project. We may also want to do an indirect assessment, like a survey. Remember, surveys are only used in addition to a direct assessment. So they may be helpful to you in preparing your action plan and getting some feedback from students, but the instructor is the one that conducts the assessment of the student learning, okay? So that's what we mean by a direct assessment. And then we can also attach any supporting files. So usually people that are submitting the report electronically, they will just attach the exam or the rubric along with the Word document here. Or you could embed, if it's another Word document, you could embed it into the form. So let's just review the 3 hows. So we're going to say how we're going to assess the student learning, how we're going to score the assessment, and how the assessment relates to the SLO. Good luck.